Workato Automation Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think automation is only for tech experts, but you won't believe what happens next when business workflows run themselves. Workato is an enterprise automation platform that connects apps, automates workflows, and moves data between systems without manual work. The surprising truth is that Workato can connect hundreds of apps including CRM, finance, marketing, and support tools. Most people get this wrong. They think automation replaces teams. In reality, it frees teams to focus on higher value work. Workato is best for companies that want scalable automation. The surprising truth is that automation can be simple and powerful. Subscribe for more honest business software reviews that help you grow smarter.